Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your SoundCloud account. For that, just go and open your app and now tap on login button, not on your sign up button. There you will see options to sign in with. Just tap on that and you'll be logged in. And if you don't remember, and if you're using your email, just enter your profile URL or email address over here and tap on continue button, and they will prompt you to enter your password. Just tap on forgot password button and they will send you verification code or verification link on your Gmail. Just tap on that link if it is link, and if it is code, just paste it over here and you'll get to reset your password and go back to your login page and enter your username and enter your email or profile URL, and then tap on continue button and enter your password, and that is how you can recover your SoundCloud account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.